Hope you are doing well. Rbqlty hereby sincerely invite you to visit our booth at the METALEX Thailand.
Date from 20 to 23rd November 2024. Booth number BZ27. Exhibition location Bangkok International Trade and Exhibition Center, Thailand. Welcome to join with us at the exhibition and negotiate about the cooperation face-to-face.
Rbqlty is a reliable metal processing machine supplier in China, with main range of laser cutting machine, CNC press brake, guillotine shearing machine, punching press, rolling machine, and air duct equipment. Rbqlty is our registered brand name. It represents Runbang and Quality. Runbang is a company that develops quickly high-quality products and perfect after-sales service. Looking forward to your visit and see you